Welcome to the channel. Welcome to DS Trucks. Guys, should I buy this 2020 F450? I've already got it approved. I'm here checking it out. It is a Lariat Ultimate package. It's in magnetic. If you've been following the channel, you know I've got a soft spot for silver, but these are really hard to find right now. So I was able to find one in magnetic. It's the same color as the current F150. It's a 678A F1 or 678A. Almost said F150, but it's a F450, and it's actually located at Pat Milliken Ford in Redford, Michigan. But guys, this truck is cool. It's a Lariat Ultimate. It's got everything that you could ever want: leather interior, your power deployable running boards, your panoramic moonroof. It's got upfitter switches. It's got your push to start keyless entry. So pretty much everything you can want. It's got a wireless charger. Obviously your Super Duty glove box, which is different from the 150. But tell me what you guys think. I've been driving around and I really like how it drives. Here's a shot of the interior. Very similar to what my current F150 has. The same leather, the same, everything's the same. The updated Sync 3. Tell me what you think, guys. This is a cool truck for me because I can go ahead and put the mount on it for the snowplow, and that way we have a backup truck for plowing snow if anything ever happens to the main truck. But like I say, guys, the reason I'm drawn to the F450 is because of the 430 gears, obviously the 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel. And I was just at a family event and I saw my uncle's F350. I drove it. I fell in love right away. It is so cool. These trucks are so good. This is a 450. Like I said, 430 gears. What's cool about the 450 is you get an 8-foot bed, and you also get the wide track front axle, which gives you the ability to maneuver such a large truck much easier. But yeah, it's pretty much got everything you could ever want. Power folding mirrors. It's got color matched caps here. Power boards, like we said. Check that out. Mirrors move in and out, and they power fold. Actually, a lot easier than they do on the F150. On the F150, there's less buttons, but this gives you a single button. But pretty cool truck, guys. That's pretty cool. Slide that over, can hold 4 cups. See if the wireless charger works on my phone. I don't know if it will. I got a case on the phone. See what happens. Will it go through the case? There it goes. Well, let me flip it over. It worked for a second. There it goes. So the wireless charger works with the phone, charging wirelessly. That's pretty cool. But yeah, guys, this truck is overall pretty cool. Now, I think it has what looks like lane keep. Definitely has the exhaust brake. But yeah, it's pretty much decked out. Everything Lariat Ultimate that you could ever want in a Lariat. Panoramic moonroof, which I like because my kid really likes to have, he really likes to look out of the window, or a moonroof, which is really cool. But comment below, tell me what you think. Should I make a move on this truck, or should I continue to look? Anyway, see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching the channel, and have a great day. Bye.